Heavy trucks have always been the backbone of global trade. But what is happening in the industry right now goes far beyond hauling cargo from one place to another. Engineers are reinventing what a truck can do, automating systems that have gone untouched for decades, building machines that tackle seemingly impossible terrain, and transforming the way fleets operate. And these aren't futuristic concepts sitting in a lab. They're real machines already on the road, changing the future of transportation right now. 12. UD Tractor X, the automated coupling system. Hitching a heavy trailer to a tractor head is traditionally one of the most tedious, hazardous, and time-consuming parts of a commercial truck driver's day. Standard manual trailer coupling requires the operator to repeatedly step out of the cab, drop heavy landing gear, manually align a fifth wheel hitch, and physically connect stubborn, high-pressure pneumatic air lines and thick electrical wiring harnesses. In crowded, poorly lit logistics yards, or during freezing weather conditions, minor alignment mistakes frequently lead to dropped trailers, equipment damage, or severe worker crush injuries. The engineering teams at UD Trucks completely solved this operational vulnerability with the UD Tractor X automatic coupling system. The truck driver simply backs the tractor head toward the staged trailer body, and the onboard computer takes total control of alignment and latching. The system instantly locks the mechanical fifth wheel, connects the pneumatic brake lines, and links the electrical wiring harnesses with zero manual effort. By removing drivers from the dangerous crush zone between tractor and trailer, this innovation streamlines the baseline workflow of freight logistics. 11. Cometto Blade Max 1000, the mountain climbing lifter. As the global energy sector transitions toward massive renewable wind installations, turbine blades are scaling up to astronomical lengths, frequently stretching past 250 feet. Transporting these completely rigid industrial structures from coastal manufacturing facilities to remote, high-altitude mountain wind farms is a logistical nightmare. They are too long to bend around tight mountain switchbacks, and their sweeping trajectories cannot clear roadside power lines, low bridges, or jagged rock overhangs. To conquer this challenge, heavy-haul engineering firm Cometto created the Blade Max 1000. This specialized trailer attachment acts like a gigantic robotic hand holding the structural root of the turbine blade. It features a massive hydraulic tilting mechanism capable of lifting the blade up to 60 degrees into the air while simultaneously rotating it a full 360 degrees around its own axis. When the transport truck approaches a sharp hairpin turn bordered by a cliffside, the operator tilts the blade completely upright using a handheld remote, allowing it to swing cleanly over obstacles. An integrated stability control system constantly monitors the rig, distributing immense weight across dozens of electronically steered wheels to prevent high crosswinds from tipping it over. 10. Tiremaax Pro LB, the smart load sensing axle. Commercial tires represent one of the single largest recurring operating expenses for trucking fleets worldwide. An underinflated trailer tire creates immense rolling resistance, eating up diesel fuel and risking a catastrophic highway blowout. An overinflated one destroys the tread prematurely. And a commercial truck's actual weight changes drastically throughout the day. A trailer might weigh 80,000 pounds on the way to a delivery and run completely empty on the return trip. The innovators at Hendrickson solved this with the Tiremaax Pro LB, an automated tire pressure management system built directly into the trailer's axles. Unlike basic inflation systems that simply pump air into a flat tire, the Pro LB continuously checks ambient temperature and monitors actual axle load using real-time air spring pressure data. When the trailer is heavily loaded, the system automatically inflates the tires to handle the weight safely. The moment cargo is unloaded, it senses the drop in pressure demand and gently bleeds air out to widen the contact patch. By constantly modifying tire pressure on the move, it eliminates human error, saves fuel, and maximizes tread life across changing climates and elevations. 9. Pavelli Helicopter Transporter, the low-profile Megalifter. When you need to transport a highly sensitive, multi-million-dollar asset like a military or commercial helicopter, a standard flatbed simply won't cut it. Helicopters are inherently wide, top-heavy, and fragile. Their tall rotor heads make overhead bridge clearance a constant, high-stakes danger. Italian trailer specialist Pavelli built the ultimate answer, the Pavelli Helicopter Transporter. It features an ultra-low-profile drop deck design that rides just a few inches off the pavement, giving maximum vertical clearance under tight highway infrastructure. The trailer bed features hydraulic outriggers that expand horizontally to match the exact wheel track of different helicopter models. Once the aircraft is safely rolled onto the platform, a computer-controlled hydropneumatic suspension system takes over. As the truck drives down winding, banked highways, the trailer dynamically adjusts individual wheel heights to keep the helicopter perfectly level at all times, isolating it from road vibrations and dangerous G-forces. 8. FGM-38, the ultra-low industrial rail hauler. Moving massive industrial machinery and oversized construction equipment presents a double engineering challenge. Not only are these loads incredibly heavy, but their immense height often violates strict highway safety regulations, making it physically impossible to pass under standard overpasses, tunnel entrances, and municipal power lines. The engineering answer is the FGM-38, a heavy-duty low-loader trailer built entirely from high-strength steel. Its core innovation is an ultra-low loading platform combined with a strong multi-axle design. By dropping the cargo floor to the absolute minimum ground clearance allowed by law, it enables full-sized railway cars and tall machinery to sit safely within legal transport height limits. The trailer also features telescopic deck extensions for awkward oversized loads, hydraulic loading ramps for smooth drive-on access, and advanced independent steering on the rear axles. This electronic steering allows an enormous, elongated rig to maneuver through tight roundabouts and narrow urban streets that would completely trap a standard flatbed. 7. Side dump industries, the low-gravity tilting bed. The classic dump truck design has remained virtually unchanged for over a century. The front lifts up, and the material slides out the back. Simple, but fatally flawed. When a standard dump truck raises its massive bed on uneven ground, its center of gravity shifts dramatically upward. One soft patch of dirt under a rear tire, and the entire multi-ton truck tips over sideways, causing catastrophic damage and severe operator injury. Side dump industries completely solve this by changing the directional geometry of the dump process. Their innovative trailers tilt sideways instead of backward. Using dual heavy-duty hydraulic cylinders mounted along the frame, the trailer body rotates smoothly to either the left or right side. This keeps the vehicle's center of gravity incredibly low throughout the entire dumping process, completely eliminating rollover risk on rough job sites. Because the material dumps out of a long side wall rather than a narrow rear tailgate, operators can also distribute gravel, dirt, or rock linearly while driving slowly forward, making backfilling highway barriers or pouring materials along miles of pipeline incredibly fast and precise. 6. Ekeri band-up system, the shape-shifting side loader. In tightly packed urban centers, space is an absolute premium. Delivery trucks often have to park parallel to narrow city streets, making it completely impossible to open traditional rear swing doors without blocking entire lanes of traffic. Finnish innovator Ekeri developed a brilliant mechanical solution to this spatial nightmare, the band-up system. Instead of loading from the rear, Ekeri trailers are built with completely openable side structures. The entire sidewall functions as a massive, unified door system. With the flip of a single mechanical latch, the walls fold and slide vertically into the trailer's ceiling structure. Simultaneously, the band-up system automatically lifts and secures the internal cargo straps up near the roof, preventing them from dangling or interfering with cargo movement. This gives operators immediate, unhindered side access to every single pallet inside the truck at the same time. Forklifts can pull right up along the side on a narrow street margin, swap out specific pallets in seconds, and let the driver get back on the road without shifting other cargo. 5. Tatra Phoenix 16x16, the ultimate all-terrain titan. When most people think of a semi-truck, they think of smooth, paved highways and concrete distribution lots. But in deep core mining, oil exploration, and Arctic construction, the highway doesn't exist. For these extreme environments, you need the Tatra Phoenix 16x16. Tatra is legendary in the heavy equipment world for its unique engineering philosophy. Unlike almost every other truck on Earth, the Phoenix uses a proprietary central backbone tube chassis, with the entire drivetrain completely sealed and protected inside it from rocks, mud, water, and ice. Branching out from this central tube are independent swinging half-axles with an advanced air suspension system. The massive 8-axle, 16x16 configuration means every single one of its 16 wheels receives independent power and can flex vertically to maintain contact with uneven ground. Combined with advanced multi-axle steering technology, this enormous vehicle can claw its way through thick mud, rocky terrain, and steep construction grades while supporting heavy cranes, drilling systems, or oversized industrial equipment. 4. Kinedyne KRAK, The modular cargo securement rail. Loading mixed freight into a trailer is a game of logistics Tetris. Every pallet, crate, and piece of machinery has a different shape, weight, and center of gravity. Securing these varied loads traditionally requires an array of different strap fittings and anchor tools. Drivers waste hours swapping out hardware or forcing straps into awkward positions, which leads to cargo shifting and severe damage during transit. The inventors at Kinedyne revolutionized this process with the KRAK cargo securement innovation, a highly advanced modular rail system built directly into the trailer walls. Made from heavy-duty galvanized steel, the rail is engineered to withstand demanding freight conditions while distributing load forces more evenly across the trailer frame. Drivers can snap in different straps, fittings, and specialized anchor tools anywhere along the track without switching out hardware, allowing instant, flexible repositioning of securement points depending on the exact cargo type. It speeds up loading and unloading times significantly while ensuring that everything from fragile electronics to heavy industrial machinery stays completely locked down during highway travel. 3. Fliegl Kaspora XL plus XLS curtain, the reinforced flex trailer. When transporting palletized goods across long highway networks, trailer curtains endure immense structural stress. When a truck takes a sharp curve or encounters heavy crosswinds, cargo shifts laterally and pushes against the side curtains. Standard curtains bulge outward under this force, degrading aerodynamics, damaging goods, and creating a severe safety hazard on public roads. European trailer pioneer Fliegl introduced the Kaspora XL plus XLS curtain trailer to fix this. The system integrates strict structural safety certifications with reinforced curtain engineering. The trailer features a rigid side frame, a heavy-duty headboard, and a specialized curtain that applies extreme pre-tension across the fabric. This high tension minimizes bulging and significantly improves lateral load stability, meaning the curtain itself acts as a structural wall to support tightly packed cargo. The clever design drastically reduces the need for heavy internal securing equipment, saving weight, improving aerodynamics, and speeding up side-loading operations. 2. Palfinger Skip Loader ST14, the asymmetric urban lifter. Managing waste, recycling, and construction containers in dense urban environments is a nightmare for truck operators. Streets are narrow, cars park illegally, and containers are often dropped off-center or blocked by obstacles. A traditional hook lift truck must align perfectly with a container to pick it up, meaning drivers often block entire lanes of traffic while backing up repeatedly to get the right angle. Palfinger answered this with the Skip Loader ST14, a compact, heavy-duty system built for 18 to 21-ton trucks that can safely handle skip containers with up to 14 tons of capacity. The main innovation is its asymmetric telescopic arms. Unlike standard symmetrical lifters, these hydraulic arms can extend and move independently of one another. This allows precise pickup and placement of containers even when they are slightly misaligned, angled, or sitting on uneven city curbs. The entire operation can be managed via an intuitive radio remote control, allowing the operator to stand safely outside the truck and visually guide the container around tight corners, low-hanging trees, and crowded job sites with absolute precision. 1. Harsh Renault HH26, the low-profile Z-frame hook loader. For heavy-duty waste management, large-scale demolition, and industrial transport, a hook loader truck needs sheer lifting power. Pulling a 25-ton container off the ground and dragging it onto a truck chassis puts immense structural strain on the vehicle frame. Traditional high-clearance hook loaders raise the container's center of gravity drastically during the loading cycle, making the truck highly vulnerable to tipping on shifting ground. The solution is the Harsh Renault HH26 hook loader system, pairing a high-output Renault heavy-duty chassis with a rugged 26-ton lifting capacity hook loader unit. The key breakthrough is the low-profile Z-frame structure. By engineering a specialized folding mechanical arm geometry, the HH26 keeps the container incredibly low to the chassis during the initial lift and slide sequences. This drastically lowers the center of gravity, improving vehicle stability during demanding off-road lifting operations on soft mud or uneven gravel. Combined with hydraulic cam locks to secure the container, fast cycle times, and high tipping angles for clean unloading, this invention delivers unmatched productivity and safety in the toughest real-world industrial environments. These 12 inventions are not just cool engineering experiments. They are the frontline solutions keeping our modern world running smoothly, quietly, and efficiently behind the scenes. Without this rapid mechanical evolution, the global supply chain would slowly grind to a halt under the weight of its own operational inefficiencies. Which of these insane truck inventions blew your mind the most? Would you want to operate one of these high-tech rigs? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a deep dive into the technology of tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next ride.